Think your roof's just up there doing its thing? It might be costing you hundreds, if not thousands. Every year, dirty roofs mean dirty solar panels. A thin film of dust, grime, or bird droppings can cut your solar output by up to 30%. That's power you're paying for, when the sun should be working for you. And let's talk water. Rainwater flowing off a roof full of herbicides, pesticides, and pollutants isn't something you want in your tank or in your cup. Professional roof cleaning removes those invisible toxins, so your family gets clean, drinkable water every time. Then there's the stuff you can see. Mould, moss. Left unchecked, they eat away at your roof surface, weakening your tiles and causing leaks that destroy ceilings, insulation, even your health. At SA Roof Clean, we recommend professional cleaning twice a year. It's not just about keeping things tidy. It's about protecting your home, your energy savings, and your family's health. More power, cleaner water, a roof that lasts longer, and peace of mind knowing it's all done safely, properly, and affordably. Act now. Don't wait until the damage is done. Get your roof professionally cleaned by the Team South Australians Trust. SA Roof Clean, bringing roofs back to life.